Hi there, Ravindra this side. In this video, I am going to show you how to create notification service in React using Notistack package. So I would say this is one of the best package for handling notifications. Super easy to integrate. It gives full control over notification types, number of notifications displayed, and their position on the page. Maybe top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, like that. So to get started, I have already set up a sample React project with 4 buttons ready to go. Let me show you. So here I have already created a 4 buttons. So here on the UI side, you can see that here is 4 buttons. So in order to use it, first we need to get the Notistack package. So open your browser, any browser, search for Notistack npm and head over to the package page. Copy this command, open your VS Code terminal and paste it here. I already have this package, so it won't change anything. This might take a few seconds based on your internet connectivity. Yeah, so I already have, so it is showing up to date. So it is done. So once installation is done, we need to wrap up our app inside the snackbar provider. So open your main file, main.jsx or main.tsx, import snackbar provider, import snackbar provider and wrap up your app. Now setup is done. Let us see how we can use it. So come to the app file. Here I have 4 buttons, so I'll create 4 functions in order to show the notifications. So we'll import a enqueue snackbar method to display the notifications. It takes 2 arguments, message and options. Inside options, maybe we can pass the variant and position. So let us create a 4 functions quickly. I'll create arrow functions. So const success notification, so I'll use enqueue snake bar. So I need to pass any message, so I'll pass user created successfully. And here in a variant I'll pass success. I can leave this variant, so in that case it will take the default one. So let me quickly copy paste this three more times, 1 2 3, and rename it error info warning. So this is done. So let's connect those functions with our buttons on click. So this is success one, so success notification on click, info notification. So on click error notification on click, warning notification. Save it, and here also we need to change it based on that. So it's error, will pass error, and it's info, so we'll pass info, and for the warning we'll pass the warning. So now it is done. Let us open the and see. Yeah, so success, warning, info, error, success, warning, info, error. So here you can see, here max 3 notifications are coming, so we can control this one as well. So now it's 3 only, so we can control any number we want. So for that, here we need to pass max is max, maybe let us keep it at 10. So now on the screen there will be 10 max, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. So it can be up to 10. So every time this will remove the old notification if max stack is done. So this is done. So let us play around the positioning of these notifications. So here we can pass the positioning as well. So let us do that one. We need to use a anchor origin, and we need to pass the position vertical. For vertical I will say top, for the horizontal I will say left for now, for the first one. So let us copy it for other one as well. Copy it here, paste it, and for this one I will change it to right. Okay, same thing here as well. So I'll say it bottom left, and for this I would say bottom right. Now let us see, open this one. So let's refresh. So for the warning, there success coming on top, error coming on top, info coming on bottom. So see, so see how cool it is. So you can customize this thing based on your API calls. If you are creating any user or creating or deleting users, so you can utilize this one. You can open it based on the API success or API failure, like that. And on the login you can show the notification like user logged in successfully, and if a token is expired you can again open the notification that user token is expired, user need to log in again, like that.